Today I'll show you multiple apps and websites that can pay you instantly through a variety of payment options including PayPal. You just need a smartphone device or a computer and an internet connection. And then all you need to do is to follow me step by step so you can get to know everything about each of the apps that I'll give you today, how you can set them up and also how you can make money with them. But just before we start, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already and if you like to see more content like this one, and also subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever we upload a new video with a brand new strategy, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With that said, let's now begin with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And since I'll give you multiple platforms and apps that you can use, I want you to be focused so you can get each and every step right. And the first platform that I want to give you today is this one here called Earnably. This is over at earnably.com. As you can see, you can make digital rewards with these apps and also get some gift cards. You can earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos and taking a surveys. It's that easy. So you can do a variety of tasks here on this website in order to get paid again and again. And the thing is that, of course, my favorite as always is watching videos, because it's very easy, and also you just need to open up a video and you can let it play in the background and you can then just collect your earnings, while the other tasks and surveys requires a little bit of time and effort, and surveys may be boring sometimes. But this depends on you. If you want to make even more money, you can do all of these other tasks that they offer. You can see by yourself and do what is best for you. If you scroll down, you're going to see that you're going to complete offers and get rewards, and you're going to get some points which you can then redeem for money. And if you scroll even more down, you're going to see how you're going to get paid. So as I said before, you're going to redeem those points for instant cash rewards or free gift cards. So they offer PayPal as the payment option so you can get paid in cash, but also some gift cards. And you have Amazon here, Domino's and so on and so forth. They even have wallet codes and many more. So something very important that I want to show you are the reviews from Trustpilot, because the reviews show how legit the platform is and if it's going to get you paid. You're going to see that they have pretty good reviews, actually 4.7 stars, which is a lot for this kind of website, and they have almost 1,000 of reviews. So you're going to see that the people have rated it as excellent, 80% of them, as great, 12%, and also just like 9% have rated it as average, poor and bad combined. So this is a very awesome website that you can use in order to get paid by just completing some simple tasks. As we saw before, you can even watch videos, which is much easier, and also take surveys. So this was the first website that I wanted to show you. You can just click on the sign up button, put up some information about yourself, and then just start doing those tasks, watching videos, taking surveys, whatever you want, and then you can just redeem those points for money or just gift cards. So let's proceed to the second website for today, because as I mentioned before, I'm going to give you multiple ones, and this one here is called BuzzBreak. This is over at buzzbreak.news. You're going to see here that this is available for App Store and Google Play Store, so it doesn't matter what device you are using, this will work for you even if you have an Android or an iOS. So let's see how you're going to get paid with this website. You're going to see that they have over 10 million of users, and you can get paid by just reading articles or even watching funny videos. So it's legit, and you're going to get points which you can then redeem for money. It's very easy. As you can see, you're just going to watch some funny videos and read articles, and I know that reading articles might take a little bit more attention from you, but this is not a problem, because if you want to, you can just watch funny videos. But even getting paid by reading articles and getting some information about news and so on, it's pretty good actually. Something that I want to show you are the reviews over on Google Play Store. You're going to see here that they have like almost 600,000 of users, so it's very popular, and they have like 4 stars review. It's as you can see, it's very informative and addictive app, and you're going to get paid by just enjoying the funny memes, by reading those world breaking news, and also by watching those funny videos. So let's proceed to the next platform for today, which is also the last one that is going to get you paid, and this is over at surveytime.io. You're going to see here that you can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you're going to complete. So this is the only option that you can do in order to get paid with this platform. They only offer completing surveys as a task, but getting paid $1 per each survey is pretty good actually, and it can make you a lot of money. And you're going to get paid through a variety of payment options. You have PayPal, Coinbase if you want to get paid with cryptocurrency. You have Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, and so on, as you can see right here. And they have also some pretty good reviews that you're going to see. They have rated it excellent. There are over 8,000 of reviews, and it has the rating of 4.5 stars, which is pretty awesome actually. And 78% has rated it as excellent and 11% as great. Only like 11% have rated it as average, poor, and bad. So this is also a very good app in order to make money online, and it pays you really good, like $1 for each survey that you complete. And also, all you need to do in order to start with it is to sign up with your Facebook account, Google account, or Twitter account, which is a lot faster and a lot easier. Or you can just put your email address manually here and then agree to terms and conditions, and then click on start now. As you can see, in your email, you're going to get your surveys that you need to complete. And something else that you can do in order to get paid with this website, if you don't want to complete surveys, is to use their affiliate program. They have a pretty good affiliate program, and you can get paid in passive income if you don't want to spend time by completing surveys. And you can find their affiliate program by clicking down here on the affiliate section, and it's going to take you over to the page that I am now. You just need to apply to their ambassador program, as they call it. You need to put your email address, you're going to put your full name, a Skype username, so you need to have a Skype account, and then click on the continue button. Then you'll be able to get your referral link, and you can promote Survey Time, and then just collect your passive income whenever people are going to use Survey Time. And the reviews from Trustpilot are going to help you in getting a lot of clicks and a lot of your referrals on Survey Time, because they're going to see that this is a legit app and they're going to use it, and you're going to make money in passive income. So with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.